Very strong equity rally today after the late day sell-off we saw yesterday. The Dow really was the leader, up 550 points on the high. That's 1.98%. I'm looking at the December Dow futures to make that claim. And actually on the low side, we were only down 58 basis points. That was a low of 27,539 in those December Dow futures, 28,250 on the high of the December Dow futures, and it was a very balanced rally. The Dow was the best performer throughout the day. Now, on the cash side of things, the Dow ended up the second best performer behind the Russell, but the leader of the big three at up 1.91% and toward the close. The future side, the Dow was actually third behind the NASDAQ and the Russell. Russell still led. But when you look at the cash side again, the Dow was the leader. And overall, on balance, the strength was building in the Dow all day long as we finished near the high and completed an outside range day on the Dow after yesterday's sell-off and negative finish that we saw. Now, financials were very strong. This is very, very important because financials have been a laggard for quite some time, and the Dow financials are very much represented within the Dow. The financial sector, fourth best performer today, up a little bit more than 2%, 2.05, and the steepening yield curve has helped financial stocks quite a bit. If you look at the 2-year, 10-year spread of the yield, so the 2-10 spread on a yield basis, a week ago it was at 57. 2 weeks ago, it was at 52. Today, 64. So a steepening of that yield curve definitely helps the bank stocks in general. And sector strength in general is really why the Dow led. The leading sectors, I told you what the fourth was, it was financials, and that's well represented in the Dow. But the top three also well represented in the Dow. You had materials up 2.75%, consumer discretionary up 2.58%, and industrials up 2.41%. Oh, I forgot about healthcare, which was also better than the financials, up 2.11%. So all five of the five biggest sectors in terms of performance for the day, well represented in the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which again ended the day on the future side up 1.73 or so, cash side 1.19% better.